Here we are at the highest point of Panola Mountain at the solution pit area. We're just going to take the video and walk through here and see what some of the pits look like after the snow. It's a little slick through here, so it may be a little jerky. Here's one of the larger ones here, and you can see if you can make it out, the ice cover is pretty thick, and the diamorpha is peeking through. That's the bright red that you see there. That's the diamorpha in its early stages, pre-season. Coming up on number 2. Ice cover there is a little bit thicker. And the large one here, number 3. And there's Abigail. Say hey, Abigail.
Hi.
8 years old, joining Dad on a trip up the mountain this morning.
Exactly.
And now we'll just keep the camera on here as we walk out onto the descent trail. We're going to try to take that descent trail down to the junction point where the half-day hike loop trail around the base of the mountain meets up with the mountain trail descent. And this is a beautiful, spectacular view from this side of the mountain. Here we are looking south over the tree line there. And that rock outcrop that you see right in the distance, that's the public rock outcrop trail, where if you come out to Panola and go in the public areas, you'll be looking from the observation deck there, looking over to the point where I'm standing here. And this is the view of the mountain that you'd get from there. And of course here we're looking further south. Now there's not much snow left accumulated on this side of the mountain, which is interesting. Imagine this is the time of day now. It's about 1 o'clock or so, and the sun's been beating down on this side of the mountain for a while now. So most of everything that was here is pretty much gone. Although in the earlier video you noticed coming up, the snow cover was still pretty thick. There's a small solution pit. It's interesting to see the steam coming off the mountain, which just indicates how much heat the rock does hold even in the winter. Alright, we'll head down the descent trail at this point.